Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I'm very happy to be doing a first impression and a review of the Anastasia Beverlyhill Soft Glam palette. I already washed my face and um, I'm now gonna use this primer from Cover FX. It's very nice, it blurs all your pores and I'm just applying it and patting motion, like press motion to my face and concentrating it to the area that there is more pores. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline foundation in medium 238, I believe it was, and apply this to my entire face, just dotting it with my finger on my face. I really like this foundation because it gives me a natural coverage, and also you can build it up to a full coverage foundation. But I really enjoy just having a soft glam, not too much of a coverage, and now I'm using this beauty blender and patting motion and blending all the foundation to my skin. After I blended all the foundation with the beauty blender, now I'm going to go with this concealer that is from ColourPop. It's in light. I really like it because it gives me like a great coverage and it's very pigmented. And I'm applying it to my forehead, under eye, on my line of my nose, and my chin. And blending this all. And I also apply concealer in my eyelids to prep them and use it as a primer. So when I apply my eyeshadow, it's easier and it will last longer, my eyeshadow. Now to set my face, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier setting powder and apply this to my entire face, especially starting with where I apply my concealer, so my concealer won't crease and won't get my face more oilier. So I really like to set this with this powder because it's very thin and fine. And I really like this powder to set. And I'm using this brush that is more of a tapered, no, more of an angle brush, and use it as a patting motion under my eyes. And I'm going to set my entire face with the same powder because I really like my face to be matte. How, like, I'm an oily skin person, so I really enjoy having and being matte all the time. So I just applied it to my entire face and like just to be matte and have everything set. When I apply everything else, it doesn't mess up my base. Now for the eyes, the most fun and amazing time is the Soft Glam palette. I'm very excited about this palette, and as you may see, it has so many neutral and warm pinky, yellowish, and some dark colors, which I really like. There's some matte, some satin, and glittery ones, but I really enjoy all of them, and I just can't wait to show you a look that I did with this palette. And if you want to see another look with this palette, and I could do that for my next video if you want. So I'm taking that brownish. So that brownish warm tone color is called Siena, and I'm gonna apply this to my outer V, and I first apply it to both sides and then blend it because I just want the color to stay there for a while and then start blending it little by little. So the great thing about this palette is that it's an everyday palette, and also you can transfer it to a night palette as well. I'm slowly blending it and adding more pigmentation little by little, but it just takes time. Just add and blend and just keep blending. And this palette brings 14 shades, which is include mattes and glam shimmers, which is amazing for date night. You can do a glamorous date night, or you can have more of a simple soft glam for daytime or everyday. For my lids, I'm going to add this light shade that is called Tempera, and apply this all to my inner and inner and halfway lid, and just add that so it can be brighter. And I just want to do like more of an ombre look, so I'll be applying this shade that is more like a natural whitish beige to my lid, and then blending it in between the two shades that I have there. And then I'm going in with rose pink. It's more of a glittery rose gold shade, and I'm applying that to the middle between the brown one and the lighter color, and just putting in the middle. But then I decided to just cover my entire other half of the lid with the same rose pink, because I wanted a more of a pinky look. So I just keep adding until I see that is more on the pinker and more pigmented. And now I'm going to take this burnt orange shade, and I'll apply this to my crease, my upper crease, just to blend everything and make everything more seamless and blended. And after I blended and blended, I'm going to take this Sienna shade again and put it more pigmented and just retouching that area so it looks more pigmented and darker, because I really like more of a darker look when it comes to this warm brownish tone. Then I'm gonna take that same color, Tempera, and apply that to my inner corners, and I will also apply it to my brow bone. For my waterline, I'm going to use the same color that I use in my crease and in my entire eyes. I start off with burnt orange, and apply that to my entire waterline with this small brush, and I applied it to both eyes. And then first I use burnt orange, and then I use Siena. It's a darker color that I use in my outer V. I'm also taking rose pink and apply that in the inner corner of my waterline, and then smudging it all and blending it all together like that. It's blended. So then I'm taking Noir. I'm sorry how you pronounce that name, and I'm apply that to my I might do like a wing liner, but it's gonna be smudged, and apply that to my as a liner. I'm gonna apply it as an eyeliner, and then smudge it out so it could be a little darker. As you can see, I'm sorry, I'm coming out of the camera, but I'm just applying it with a small liner brush and applying it and making a wing liner. It takes time, but you can make it, and just smudge it out. And also I applied it in the bottom outer V of my waterline, and so it can look all together and united. I really like it because it looks warmer, it looks a little darker, and at the same time smoky, which I really, really enjoy. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Tarte Clay Play palette, which is my favorite. And I'm going to do my eyebrows with the lightest shade. I took the same brush to blend to clean up my brows, and then I'm taking the same palette, the Tarte Clay Play, to contour and warm up my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, and my nose. I really love a lot of bronzy contour because I feel like it looks better and seamless. And I like it to be, strong. So I just apply this everywhere in my face. Now I'm gonna take this palette that is from Benefit, and it's the Cheek Parade palette. And I'm gonna take this rosy pink blush and apply this to my cheek. And I'm gonna take the same brush because it does this very soft and looks very seamless, which I really, really like. So now for my lips, I'm gonna take this MAC lip liner, and it's called Spice. I really, really, really love this lip liner, and it's like my second one, which I love so much. And I'm going to line my lip and overline them a little as well. So for my entire lip, I'm going to take this Tarte lipstick in Park Eve Princess, which is a very light nude lipstick, which is also moisturizing and creamy, and it makes my lips feels very hydrated and very, very good, and it feels very comfortable and I really love this lipstick combination with the matte spice lip liner. And I'm gonna take again the lip liner and line my lips again. For my lashes, I'm gonna get this Lancome mascara. That is the Lancome Big Mascara. I really like this mascara because it gives me more volumes to my lashes, and they look very thick and voluminous. So I put like a few couple coats of this. You have to be careful because it's very thick, and I'm also gonna apply this to my lower eyelash, and just be a little careful with the mascara because it could be a little messy, and I know nobody wants for their eyelashes to get ruined when already having a. Guys, this is all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.